progress comes with challenges at first, but pays off when you stick with it. Let's look at a few of the challenges that companies might see when implementing DevOps into their organizations. First, a lack of a project vision. Companies need to aim to build a collaborative culture. You want to make sure you involve all of the teams required: executives, development, and operations. You need to get leadership buy-in and need to promote teamwork. Next, not enough education. When you're implementing DevOps, the flashy new tools on the market can seem like they solve every problem under the sun. But with new tools, you also need to train the teams on both DevOps and how to use the tools. No DevOps plan. Not communicating or involving too large of a team without coordination. You need to create a clear plan that indicates milestones, project owners, and well-defined deliverables. Lastly, a resistance to change. The move to DevOps can seem scary to many team members and key participants. What everyone needs to realize is that they're the driving force behind any DevOps approach. Refusing to grow and adapt to the changing times will slow down the progress rate. It's better to bear the discomfort of change rather than falling behind. Change is hard at the beginning, chaotic in the middle, but is celebrated in the end. It will pay off in the long run. If you need more information on DevOps, you can browse our DevOps training and courseware page to learn more about the courses we provide. You can also view our full article on the top DevOps issues and how to fix them.